Well, it's a little unusual to see clouds here in Queensland, a little bit like this acreage property, which has not one, but 2 homes on it. Hi, I'm Damion from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 298 Greenlake Road in Rockyview. Come with me now and let's check out this amazing acreage property. Well, we're in the heart of this 4-bed, 2-bath home, which has Tasmanian oak floors and double brick walls. And the second home on this amazing acreage is this 1-bed, 1-bath poured concrete studio. Come with me and let's check out the inside now. Well, there we have it. 2 properties, 167 acres here in Rockyview. 4-bed, 2-bath property, major farmhouse. Here, the 1-bed, 1-bath poured concrete studio. Also, we have 2 sets of horse stables, running track, feed rooms, everything you could possibly want. If you want to know more about this property, please get in touch with me, Damion at McGrath Estate Agents.